Hello everyone, I hope I am audible. In this video, we will try to solve previous year question paper of AIB 18 and we have already solved up till question number 75. And in this video, मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि जितना शॉर्ट हो सके उतने शॉर्ट में ये वीडियो ख़त्म कर दूं, डायरेक्टली आंसर आपको बता दूं। अगर एनालिसिस वीडियो चाहिए डिटेल में तो उसके लिए मैंने वीडियो बनाई हुई है ऑलरेडी 1 घंटे की। पूरा 25 क्वेश्चन में मुझे 1 घंटे लगे, तो वो आप देख सकते हैं। इसमें मैं कोशिश करूंगा जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी मैं इसको आपका इसका आंसर आपको बता दूं। Now see what question number 76 says. What is the minimum percentage of affected family that need to give their prior consent for acquiring land for private companies as per the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement act 2013? क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि कितना परसेंटेज जो है किसी भी प्राइवेट कंपनी को कंसेंट जो है लेना पड़ेगा उस एरिया में जहां की लैंड जो है वो चाहता है कि वो अपने पर्पज से यूज कर पाए। लगभग उस एरिया का 80% जो है वो उसको 80% लोगों का अप्रूवल लेना पड़ेगा। सो राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 77, इमेजिन एन आईपीएल टीम सेट्स अप अ कंपनी टू सेल इट्स ओन रेंज ऑफ क्लोथ्स। what type of intellectual property can the team use to show that the clothes are made by them? इसका जो है ग्रेज मार्क मिला होगा आपको। इसका राइट ऑप्शन दो है इसके, ऑप्शन सी ट्रेडमार्क या बाय रजिस्टर्ड डिजाइन, दोनों में से कोई से भी तरीके से करवा सकते हैं। तो आई आई होप इसका ग्रेस मार्क जो है आपको मिला होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 78, हाउ लॉन्ग डू पेटेंट्स यूजली लास्ट फॉर? द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज फॉर 20 years. Question number 79, the concept of freedom of trade and commerce mentioned in the Indian Constitution motivated from the experience of the following country? The right option is option B, that is Australia. Question number 80, which of the following writ is issued to enforce the performance of public duty by authority? Right option is option A, that is mandamus. Question number 81, which of the following constitutional amendment act had made the provision for publishing Hindi translation of the constitution? The right option is option D, that is 58th amendment. Question number 82, which of the following is the landmark judgment on the colorable legislation? I hope you know the concept of colorable legislation, जहाँ पर लेजिस्लेशन को लगे कि वो जो है सही एक्ट लेके आ रही है, लोगों के लिए सही है, वहीं पर वो जो एक्ट है एक्चुअल में सही है ही नहीं। सो दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कलरेबल लेजिस्लेशन। द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, द स्टेट ऑफ बिहार वर्सेस कमेश्वर सिंह। क्वेश्चन नंबर 86, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट वाज पास्ड इन लाइट ऑफ द एडवाइजरी ऑफ ओपिनियन रिवाइज्ड इन री बेरीबरी केस? द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 9th अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1960। एंड इफ यू नो, बेरीबरी जो जगह है वो जगह का नाम था, कहाँ पे लाई करता था? इंडिया और बांग्लादेश के बॉर्डर पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 84, which of the following provision of the constitution of India is relevant for resolving question of repugnancy between a central law and a state law? repugnancy means मतभेद, काइंड ऑफ झगड़ा, ठीक है। तो उसके लिए रिलेटेड सेक्शन जो है वो है ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज आर्टिकल 254। क्वेश्चन नंबर 85, what transition period was provided in the constitution of India for changing official language of union from English to Hindi? The right option is option C, 15 years. 15 years. Question number 86, in which of the following case it was held that there could be no reservation on single post in the cadre? The right option is option A, Chakradhar Paswan versus state of Bihar. Question number 87, sexual harassment of a working woman at her place of work may also be considered as the violation of which of the following provision of the Constitution of India? The right option is option D, that is Article 19, sub Article 1, clause G. Question number 88, which of the following doctrine has been applied to resolve the conflict between Article 225, sub Article 2, clause B, and Article 26, clause B of Constitution of India? The right option is option A, doctrine of harmonious construction. Question number 89, in which of the following situation Indian Penal Code 1860 may not apply? The right option is option C, that is only 3. Question number 90, how many types of punishment are currently existing under the Indian Penal Code 1860? Right option is option C, that is 5. Question number 91, A and Z agree to fence with each other for amusement. In the course of such fencing, while playing fairly, A hurts Z severely. Which of the following offense is committed by A? The right option is option A, option C, that is वेट इसका राइट ऑप्शन जो है मेरे अकॉर्डिंग ग्रीवियस हर्ट होगा, लेकिन एक्चुअल में जो है नो ऑफेंस है, सो मैं कंफ्यूज है उसमें, कंफ्यूज नहीं, मेरे अकॉर्डिंग तो ग्रीवियस हर्ट है, बट अगर आप आपको कहीं कहीं इसका नो ऑफेंस में मिलेगा। बट मेरा कहना है कि सीवियरली वाले केस में कि क्षति अगर ज्यादा पहुंची तो उसमें जनरल एक्सेप्शन में फॉल नहीं करेगा वो। वहीं पर अगर क्षति कम पहुंची है तो नो ऑफेंस में आएगा वो। ठीक है, रिलेवेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन है 322 सेक्शन 87, देख लेना। क्वेश्चन और डिटेल एनालिसिस चाहिए तो आपको वीडियो देखनी पड़ेगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 92, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन राइट ऑफ प्राइवेट डिफेंस कैन नॉट एक्सटेंड टू कॉजिंग डेथ? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, in case when assault is reflecting intention of causing simple hurt. Question number 93, for which of the following section of the Indian Penal Code 1860 the word benefit does not include pecuniary benefit? Right option is option A, that is section 89. Question number 84, X intentionally pulls up a woman's veil without her consent, intending to annoy her. As per the Indian Penal Code 1860, which of the following offence he has committed? The right option is option B, that is criminal force. Question number 95, what punishment is prescribed under the Indian Penal Code 1860 for a person who maims any minor in order that such minor may be used for the purpose of begging? Right option is option D, that is imprisonment for life and punishment, imprisonment for life and fine. Question number 96, X threatened to publish a defamatory libel concerning Y unless Y gives him money. Which of the following punishment may be given to X for the act committed by him as per the Indian Penal Code 1860? The right option is option B, imprisonment up to 3 years or with fine or with both. Question number 97, which of the following sentence is an assistant session judge authorized to pass as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right option is option C, that is sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 10 years. Question number 98, a person arrested by a private person for committing a non-bailable and cognizable offense shall be rearrested by a police officer if such person comes under which of the following provision of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right option is option A, under section 41. Question number 90, that talks the section 41 talks about arrest without warrant by a police officer. Question number 99, which of the under which of the following situation wife is not entitled for maintenance under section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right option is option B, voluntarily wife when wife voluntarily refuses to live with husband without any valid reason. Question number 100, which of the following produce is dealt under section 164A of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right option is option A, that is medical examination of the victim of rape. So this was the remaining 25 question of AIB 18, and with this we have completed successfully the remaining portion of AIB 18. I hope it will help you, and that's it. Have a good time.